Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design your own clay cutter using COOKIECAD. This is a quick and easy way to create custom cutters for clay projects, and you don't need to be a pro at 3D modeling to do it. I'm starting with an image. For this example, I'm using Canva to download a bunny silhouette. You can also find silhouettes on Google Images or Pixabay. Just make sure you're grabbing something simple and high contrast, because a silhouette is the easiest type of image to turn into an outline cutter. The cleaner the shape, the better your final cutter will be. In Canva, go to Elements on the left and search for bunny silhouette or whatever shape you want to use. You'll see lots of different options. Select one that looks clean and simple without too many tiny details, because really thin or sharp parts can break easily when printed, or get stuck and be hard to remove from the clay if the details are too small. The size in Canva doesn't matter. We'll set the final size inside COOKIECAD later. When you're ready, click on Share at the top right and download the file as a PNG. PNG files with solid black and white shapes usually work best. After downloading the silhouette, I head over to the COOKIECAD website. This is a free online tool where you can turn an image into a 3D printable cutter. It's a really handy option if you want to make cutters quickly without having to dive deep into 3D modeling software. I upload the bunny image I just saved to my computer. COOKIECAD automatically generates a preview of the cutter, and from there I can adjust the settings, things like the wall thickness, the height, handle, and more. In the preview, you'll also see the size of your cutter. You can adjust the size on the left. I'll set mine to 40 millimeters, but you can choose whatever works best for you. All of the next dimensions are just my personal preferences. If you scroll down, you'll find the blade settings. I like to set the blade height to 12 millimeters, with a thickness of 0.8 millimeters. For the cutting edge, I'll use a chamfer that's 0.4 millimeters wide and 5 millimeters high. For the handle, I set it to 3 millimeters wide and 3 millimeters high. That gives the cutter a little grip while keeping it compact. After that, I don't change anything else for this design. The cutter is now ready to export for 3D printing. To do that, just click on Download STL. Next, I open Bambu Studio and import the STL we just created. To do this, click on Add and choose the file. I'll walk you through the settings I use for simple cutters like this bunny. In the left panel, go to Quality, then scroll down to Wall Generator and set it to Arachne. Next, scroll up slightly to Seam and change the seam position to back. That's it. Now click Slice to prepare the file. You'll also see how much filament it will use and the estimated print time. Once you're happy with how it looks, send it to your printer by clicking Print Plate at the top right corner. For this cutter, I'm printing with PLA in a matte blue color from eSUN. I really like this filament for tools like this because it looks nice and prints smoothly, and the matte finish helps hide layer lines so the cutter looks more professional. PLA or PLA Plus is also easy to print with, so it's a reliable choice for functional tools like cutters. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we went from a simple silhouette image to a fully functional clay cutter that's ready to use. You can try this process with any shape you like: animals, flowers, seasonal designs, even letters or logos. It's a really fun way to make your clay tools unique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D printing and design tutorials, or join my new Facebook group, 3D Printing for Crafters. Link in the description below, where you can share your projects, ask questions, and connect with other makers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.